What is going on, everyone? We are back with another AI video, and this one might look a little bit familiar here because we are back with AIvideo.com. This is part 2 here. Folks, the video production and marketing industry is changing in real time. Creating something like elite level commercials or advertisements is more accessible today than it ever has been before. Anybody, and I genuinely mean anyone, can compete with luxury brands like Gucci, Ferrari, or Rolex thanks to cutting edge AI video. And it's only getting better and better by the day, which is very exciting. All right, so who will benefit the most here? So we are talking small business owners and entrepreneurs, marketers and advertisers, content creators and influencers, and anyone looking to create high quality video content on a budget. That's very, very key here. If you're on a budget and you're looking to create something like this is where you want to be looking here. If you fall anywhere within these categories, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to create professional quality videos in minutes with AI using just a simple description. Let's dive into the platform here. So head on over to AIvideo.com. Link is going to be in the description as always here. And you're going to go ahead and go to the top right here and click on the sign in here on the top right. So right off the bat, you're going to start with 100 free credits, which is 100% free of charge here. This is going to be more than enough to begin prompting and creating. To put this into perspective, for $39 per month, you can generate a product marketing video from start to finish. But for $19 per month, which is the basic plan, you'll get 1,800 credits per month, which means 120 AI videos, 200 AI images, 112 minutes of voiceover, and 1,000 AI sound effects. All right. So let's go ahead and make a luxury brand commercial here. How about we try to make some sort of perfume advertisement or marketing campaign? So I'm going to come over to select a template here and I'm going to go down to product marketing. So let's go ahead and jump into this one right here, product marketing. We have our template selected here. For topic, I'm going to go with a close-up shot of a perfume bottle. Okay, I'm going to leave the script blank here and we're going to go with a 30-second clip. So for art style, you have to pick one of the choices here for art style here. I'm going to go with minimalist. You can also add AI images. You can add diagrams, stock video, that sort of thing. We're going to keep that all blank here. We're just going to go with the AI video minimalistic here. And then that autofills the kind of look we're going for with this prompt here. So you're going to see minimalistic art, clean and simple lines, sharp edges, neutral colors, that sort of thing. So for editor's note here, you can add some specific editing instructions. I just want to go with a close-up shot of a perfume bottle aesthetic. I don't want no word art, no text overlay. I just want it super clean. Okay, that looks good. There is an option here to upload a product or character reference as well. So this is in the beta. We're going to keep this one blank here. This isn't really we're going to keep that blank for our use case here. We're going to keep ours in portrait. I'm going to take the captions off and I'm going to go with Daniel here, the British news voice, upbeat modern track. Okay, that all looks really good. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and hit generate here.
Delicate engravings adorn the glass, telling a story of sophistication. The golden cap gleams, a crown atop this vessel of allure. As the camera moves, we see the subtle play of colors within the fragrance, promising a sensory journey.
All right, so I'm really happy with my outcome there. So now once you go ahead and you generate your prompt, you're going to be brought over to the project section here. And from here, you can go through all your previous videos that you have made. I'm going to come over to the edit feature here with my video. And before I do, you can see I did make a couple of submissions here, just fine-tuning my prompt with each one, just trying to get the right look and feel here. So I'm going to come over to edit here. This is one of the best features with AIvideo.com is you can actually come in and make the edits directly into the platform itself here. So that's something that is super, super amazing to see as opposed to reprompt 100 different times. If you have a prompt that you're mostly happy with or fairly happy with, you can come in and make the necessary edits here. So once I open up the editor, I can come over and see all the different pieces, video pieces that were put together here with AIvideo.com. For example, this one right here was probably one of my favorite ones right here. I thought the bottle looked really cool. So if I go ahead and click on that one here, I can see the prompt that actually went into this. Close-up shot with soft focus, gliding around the perfume bottle to capture the colors of the fragrance inside. Cinematic art style with rich color grading and dramatic lighting. You can actually see the AI model that was used. These are all the different AI models that AIvideo.com is actually leveraging here. So you can actually pick the one that you want to use, whether you want to go with one that is a cheaper rate or whatever the case may be, or a particular one here. It's going to pick the one that it feels is the best one for the job here. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take this video clip and we're going to build around it within the video editor section here. I want this one to be the core look of my perfume bottle here. So let's go ahead and come on down to the generate tab here. I've actually made a couple pieces here that I prompt. Again, I prompted this right into the editor here in the bottom left here. So we're going to go ahead and build and edit this advertisement together here. We're going to come to our playhead. We can delete this. We can delete this right here. And we're going to delete this guy. And we're going to delete this guy. I also prompted one more perfume bottle here. I wanted to go with the bottle having a dramatic lighting behind it so we can kind of finish off with that one. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop right over here. Let's go ahead and actually put this one first, and we'll do this one second here. And then we'll do the final kind of reveal here. Okay, let's go through this. So kind of an elegant look. All right, so I've gone ahead and moved my main clip right here. I've gone ahead and added a few more clips here side by side. I've gone ahead and just removed the voiceover just so we can hear the music. And let's see what our final product looks like here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit download. All right, so I'm very happy with my final result here. So it really goes to show how much you can actually do within the editor. Whenever you go to prompt a video, you can use that as a baseline and really just build around that. So if there's different pieces in there that you want to build around, you can go in there and select your piece. In this case, I wanted to really make this perfume bottle the main focus. And then I just went ahead and prompted in the bottom left here the different scenes that I was looking for here. And again, you can do it all within the editor. You can pick how long you want it, whether it's portrait or landscape, whether it's video or image. So you can do that all right here. Not only that, you could change up the voiceover. I can do that right in here. I can pick a different voiceover and generate that. I can come over and add sound effects. I can go ahead and prompt for that as well. I can upload music, and I can even add captions and overlays as well. So you can do it all right in the editor here. So you absolutely just love to see that. All right, so just some final thoughts today. You've seen what I've been able to make today in AIvideo.com. You've seen how easy it is to go from an idea to a simple prompt to a polished up video, and all edited within the platform itself, which is absolutely incredible. So now it's time to see what kind of ideas you can bring to life here. So make sure you take advantage of the free trial today by heading over to AIvideo.com, and link is going to be in the description here. And if you decide to subscribe after using the free trial, you can get a 20% discount with the code Curtis. Make sure you use that code, and you can find it in the description.